My name is Ming, and today I'm going to talk about the movie box office classification for the Shiny app. So first is EDA, so we can carry out on these three datasets. So let's take GDP first, so we can see scatter plot, the line graph, the box plot, and the point smoke curve. And I can also change the year range as I want. And scope in here, I can change it to group, country, and regions. And I can add some more entity. And the log scale can also be applied here for better visualizations. So next is the populations. So the function different in here is a pairwise sketching. So we can see the relationships amongst the features for country like Afghanistan for the populations table. And finally is the box office. So we can see the histogram right here. And you can change the number of bin for the feature ratings. And I can also use a category bar for different kind of category like genres and original language and different type of revenue right here. So next is the joint EDA. So the joint EDA first, we have the GDP per capita. So let's take Australia for example. So in here we can see that the bottom out in 2020, which shows us the Australia has suffered from GDP and GDP per capita downfall due to COVID-19. And finally, box office, which is GDP per capita. So let me choose Australia as well. So we can see that the relationships between Australia's GDP per capita and the world revenues, which is not really tied in this case. And finally, we come to the model predictions. So first, we will come to the single models. So we can choose it between single features and multivariate one. So let's take single features here. And the model is the logistic regressions. And I can change it, the features right here, like vote count, and I can train it. And here is the result for the vote count first. And then I can remove this one and change it to multivariate one. And using decision trees. So I can add some features right here, and I can train it. And here is the decision tree visualizations for this one first. And I can also using LAMP to explain which feature contributes the most. So in this case, so none of them contributes for the high level one. And I can also compare between the two model performance like here. So adding some feature like this, and here's the results. So we'll see that logistic regressions outperform decision trees in these some kind of features. And finally is a clustering analysis. So I can basically add some features like this and choose the number of K right here and run it. And we can see that the errors and series graph and chart. And we'll see the clustering visualization for PCA. The cluster profile is also provided underneath to show that which one contributes the most. So this is the end of my presentations. Thank you for your watching.